Yeah.
Good morning, good evening, good night, YouTube. It's another update video on my 2012 Mercedes-Benz CLS 63 AMG. Now, this is a maintenance video. Let me adjust the camera. My bad. I shoot it raw. I don't edit anything. Now I understand why when people modify cars say maintenance first before you start chasing power. Sunday, got check engine light. I have a little device that plugs up to the car called Sync 'em and Drive from T-Mobile. It's not a paid promotion. That's what I have, and it lets me know what pops up. Got cylinder 2, cylinder 6, misfire. But of course, just like with my V10 and 5, you had to start from the very top, work your way down. Change the 2 ignition coils on those 2 banks. 2 cylinders, nothing. Still the same code. Come to find out, which I called my warranty, got a claim number, went through them. So me go through the headache, just got to chase a bigger issue, and that's gonna cost more money later. Which is a good thing I have a warranty on this car. Pretty good one too. 5 years, 60,000 miles. Not a paid promotion from them neither. Not plugging them because of that. Maintenance first. Something real simple that the title and the thumbnail gonna speak wonders, but this is what I had to change right here. Spark plugs, which was a good thing. There's nothing too crazy. I didn't have to do all the initial coils, spark plugs, fuel injectors. They didn't have to go that deep. Simple as spark plugs. You can't see from here. I'm gonna take a few out and show to you how bad they were. No, I didn't cook the spark plugs, but my first 3 things on the maintenance list I was going to do anyway was spark plugs, oil change, did fluid flush. Well, spark plugs are taken care of. And when I say they were cooked, they were cooked. I only had the car 7-8 months. I haven't put that many miles on it. Let me come in close for you to see. That's one. That's another one right there. So before you start chasing more power out of a twin turbo car, NAV car, NA motor, supercharged motor, whatever else, maintenance first. Show you another 2, not the same ones. Same thing. Done. And then the reason why they cost as much as they did, because Mercedes-Benz have their logo on it. And everybody think you must put genuine OEM parts in cars like this. You don't. You don't have to. Because the initial cars I bought wasn't from Mercedes-Benz. I ordered 2 from FCP Euro with a lifetime warranty on it. That simple, through Bosch. And most companies like Bosch and Restylane make parts for these companies. Of course, these companies are going to make their money on it by having their logo or their brand on it. But you don't have to spend that money. You don't. The total bill, parts, labor, taking the plugs out, changing them diagnostics, $711.26. But, comes with the territory when you want to own platforms and cars like this. Which, I did a small thing, got me a warranty. Which is cool. So I know anything else go wrong, transfer case, whatever else, anything in the transmission or lubricated part, everything is covered. Not everything, but major parts, engine, transmission, drivetrain. That's where I wanted to make sure I was good and confident. Now, this is a caveat. I'm gonna throw something else in this video, this vlog as well. A lot of people were surprised at the car that I ended up getting. So like I said, this is maintenance / why I picked this. And a lot of people find it funny when I told them the story. This wasn't even my first option. It wasn't. The first option I had was a 2007 CLS 55 AMG. That has the same M113 motor as the E55. Just the same coupe style form as this. I had the chance, buy that cash. The buyer, we agreed upon the price. Somebody came with more money, he sold it. Hey, that's the name of the game. Money talks, BS walks. It is what it is. Second choice was a 2008 E63, white, black interior. Only had 88,000 miles on that car for 2008, which was good. Because my M5 was a 2008. When it got hit in total, it had 95,850 miles on it. That also was a private seller. Due to COVID and everything else, I couldn't get to my bank to get the money to make this happen with dude. And I could have got that car cash as well, no payments. Third car was a 14 or 15 E63, which same place where I got this car from too, in Jersey at Auto Holding. You ever need a car, go out there, look him up. When you call, ask him Miguel. He took real good care of me. And so if I'm ever in the market for another car, I want to trade this in, that's where I take it back to, get good money for it, and upgrade. That car ended up getting sold the same week I was going to go look at this. So this was option number 4. There's number 1, number 2, number 3. This was option number 4. And like I say, everything happens for a reason. This was a car that was for me. Yes, the first 2 cars would have been lovely. Cash, no car payment, no nothing. I'd have been good. I was in the E63, I had a payment just like I have on this. But this being the CLS AMG, and you don't see a lot of them on the road like that, in this type of condition, options, color, this and the third, I'm slowly to saying it was a better buy. Rest in peace to my E60 M5. I called her Lady M. 2008. It had almost all the bells and whistles you could have optioned that car with. It could have came with more options. This has way more options than my M5. That car will be missed. That car was paid off. No car note on it. So turn around, get a hit in total, and go back to another car payment, which I was car payment free like 6-7 months. So it's not like I paid it off when I did and remember the car payment like a month later the same month. So it's okay. Everything, all the blessings that's been falling upon me come from that man upstairs. Very grateful, very thankful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll surely answer them. Like I said, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please share this, help me grow my channel. I had to put more energy into this, and I'm working on something else too. That once, pardon me, that's somebody on a dirt bike riding by that I know I need to put more energy into, that's going to help a lot of males of my color. That's the only little nugget I'm going to give you. Something else that I'm working on is to help men of my color. Help them mentally and emotionally. Not giving them more than that. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, like I said, tap in with me. Ask away. I'll be honest. Maintenance first before you start adding mods, intakes, tune, downpipe. Before you start doing all that, do little stuff like this first. But luckily for me, it was just the spark plugs. Good. She running strong. Everything's straight. Now I go make my moves for the day. I was waiting for the car to warm up, so I said, you know what? Let me hop on real quick, make this video about the first, I won't say major maintenance done to the car, but this is very important. So thank you for tapping in. God bless. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. All right. Salute. 1.